Good morning, class. I'm teacher Mike Lewicki. How are you guys? I wanted to go over one thing today. Good morning, class. Grade 10, Applied Stream Aldade, School for Boys, Applied Stream Business Enterprise. Good morning, guys. We've been talking about PESTLE analysis. Good morning, guys. Grade 10, Applied Stream Aldade, School for Boys, Applied Stream Business Enterprise is your course, as you know. We've been talking about PESTLE analysis. We've actually talked about SWOT analysis, which is inside a company, right? Its strengths, its weaknesses, its opportunities, and its threats. We then moved on to PESTLE analysis, which is part of your third task 2.4 to create a PESTLE analysis essentially related to your COVID app 19 project or assessment which you have been doing this term. I have put a slide on the MS Teams file section. You can see it there under COVID app 2.4. It says, and it is the third it's the third file, PowerPoint file. You'll see. You can open that, and there is a set of slides. Of course, there is a support slide which has the PESTLE analysis descriptions on it, and of course there is a personalized PowerPoint slide for each one of you. Now, you simply have to put in which letter or what letter mean, which each letter means. Good morning, guys. Aldade School for Boys. Good morning, class. Hello, gentlemen. Applied Stream Business Enterprise, Aldade School for Boys, Aldade Sharjah. Let's talk about our lesson today. We've been talking about analysis tools. Of course, we did go over the SWOT analysis, which are a firm's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We call that an internal assessment of a business, all right? You can also do personalized SWOT analysis of yourself, all right? We then have moved on to what is called a PESTLE analysis. You are quite familiar with this by now, as we have reviewed this and studied this for 3 classes. All right. We are now going to do a task today, okay, where you are responsible for putting in each of the components of PESTLE, PESTLE. You'll see that on the left side of the slide. Okay, you simply just have to put in which letter for each of the words. Okay. Good morning, guys. Aldade School for Boys, Applied Stream Business Enterprise. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's lesson, I want to introduce today's lesson. We have been talking about analysis tools, right? Inside a company, we call this internal. And we did briefly look at a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We then moved on to looking at a PESTLE analysis, right? PESTLE, all right? Political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental considerations. Okay, when looking at any business enterprise, governments use it. Okay, it's a valuable tool, essentially for risk management, right? Al-Muqadir, we know this word in Arabic. All right. So I have created a slide for you on the MS Teams files. It's personalized. All right. All of your names are on one of the slides. Okay, so you're going to do this task now. The task timing is about 20 to 25 minutes to complete that. And then we're going to talk about what we have done and why we have done it. All right. So your instructions are, you take a look at your personalized slide, which I will bring up and share. Okay. And I will show you where those files are, or where that file is, and all of your names. All right. And you simply just put in, okay, based on the letter. If you see the letter P, you type in political. Okay, all the way down to E. All right. You know, it is a task, a simple task, but it's good to learn that way. Okay, type things out. See it for yourself. Then each of the letters has a question. Okay, now I haven't put this in Arabic. We've done this a few times, right? We've done English and Arabic, but I haven't done that today. Okay, I want you to see if you can do it on your own. I know you can without the help of Arabic. All right, and then when you finish, you can highlight your name. Red means you didn't do it. I will do that at the end if you haven't done it. Amber means you've done some of it, okay? And green means you've completed the task. I want to see every student having green, okay? So I'm going to end this recording and say, please click on the file section of the team, okay? And you will see COVID app 2.4. It's a file. And then when you click on that, it's the third file. It's a PowerPoint file. I will be showing you as well where that is. And then you can find your name and you can start the exercise. Thank you very much, guys.